Norton Abrasives has once again changed the landscape of paint, wood, and drywall sanding with the introduction of the Norton ProSand 5X sanding sponges. Comprised of the finest materials available, the premium ProSand 5X sanding sponges are second to none. Utilizing high-performance white aluminum oxide grain, the premium ProSand 5X sponges will cut faster and last longer than any other sanding sponge on the market. The premium ProSand 5X sanding sponges remove material quickly without leaving deep scratches. The Norton offering of sponges comes in a wide variety of shapes and grits to tackle any job. The popular sanding block offers excellent utility for applications on paint, drywall, and wood. Perfect for just about any job. For applications where you need a fine edge to your sanding, the dual-angle version of the sanding block is the perfect product for the job. The dual-angle configuration gives you two edges to do twice the work. If you are sanding a tight, hard-to-reach area, then the single-angle version of the sanding block allows greater flexibility. The longer, more acute angle reaches into tight corners where the standard sanding block isn't ideal. The handle offers ergonomic comfort and reduces hand fatigue. Perfect for any woodworking project, the premium ProSand 5X sponges offer utility and ease of use. Designed specifically for sanding shaped wood, each product gives you the highest performance available. Our soft and flexible contour sponges conform to any shaped surface to give you maximum surface contact, while providing a uniform and consistent finish. Available from coarse to extra fine, the contour sponges will take your hard-to-sand projects to a professional level. And our latest innovation, the premium ProSand 5X sanding stick. Perfect for super tight spots that your hand just won't fit in. Hold the stick with one end and start to sand those areas you used to ignore, or spend hours trying to reach with conventional sandpaper rolled in a tube. The multi-angle sponge is designed for molding and millwork, with an angle on one edge and a rounded edge on the other. This sponge is the perfect tool to sand crown moldings and intricate millwork. It provides a perfectly sanded surface, regardless of the surface profile. The Norton Premium ProSand 5X Extra Large Sanding Sponge is the product of choice for any drywall sanding job. The extra large size allows you to fully sand standard drywall joints to ensure a super flat joint. The extra large size is also perfect for larger sanding areas like butt joints to make sanding quicker and more consistent. The extra large sponge is also equipped with an angle along one edge that lets you reach tight areas and angles less than 90 degrees. It also lets you sand inside corners without damaging the adjacent wall. The Norton Premium ProSand 5X Corner Sanding Sponge is the perfect solution for sanding those hard-to-reach corners of drywall. Its unique design allows simultaneously sanding of both sides of an inside wall corner, saving time and effort on a job. The extra-large sponge also features a built-in handle for easy grip by hand, or you can use in conjunction with our quick change handle for added comfort and control. Norton ProSand. Get it? Finished.